Welcome to my channel, The Herbal Fit. Don't forget to subscribe. Today, we're diving into an ancient remedy that's been used for centuries, but still has a place in modern wellness: licorice root. Whether you're battling sugar cravings, looking to boost your health, or simply curious about this fascinating plant, this video is for you. Let's get started. Licorice root, or ganqiao in Chinese, has a rich history. Originating in regions of Asia, the Middle East, and Europe, licorice root was prized for its medicinal properties. Ancient Egyptians, Greeks, and Chinese healers all celebrated this root for its sweetness and health benefits. In fact, it was so valued that it's been found in King Tut's tomb and mentioned in traditional Chinese medicine texts. But what makes licorice root so special? Let's break it down. Benefits of licorice root. Licorice root is a natural sweetener. It contains glycyrrhizin, which is 30 to 50 times sweeter than sugar, making it a fantastic alternative for curbing sugar cravings. But there's so much more to this root. Supports digestive health. Licorice root is often used to soothe the digestive system. It helps alleviate heartburn, acid reflux, and stomach ulcers by forming a protective coating in the stomach lining. In traditional medicine, it's known for its ability to calm inflammation and promote gut healing. Boosts respiratory health. It's a natural expectorant, helping to loosen mucus and relieve coughs. Licorice root tea or syrups can be soothing during a cold or flu. Many people turn to it as a natural remedy for bronchitis or sore throats. Balances hormones. Licorice root contains phytoestrogens that can help balance hormones, especially for those experiencing menopause or hormonal fluctuations. This makes it a popular choice for women's health, especially for easing symptoms like mood swings or hot flashes. Reduces stress. It supports the adrenal glands, helping to regulate cortisol levels, which is often called the stress hormone. In today's fast-paced world, this can be a helpful natural way to manage stress and fatigue. Supports immune health. Licorice root has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which can give your immune system a gentle boost. It's often used as a preventative measure during flu season. Promotes skin health. Licorice root extract is commonly used in skincare products to reduce redness, soothe irritation, and lighten dark spots. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a go-to ingredient for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. How licorice root reduces sugar cravings. Now let's talk about sugar cravings. We all get them, and they can be hard to resist. Licorice root can help in two ways. Natural sweetness. Its sweetness satisfies your craving without added sugar. Glycyrrhizin gives it that signature taste while being much sweeter than sugar. A small piece of licorice root or a cup of tea can feel like a treat. Stabilizing blood sugar levels. It helps keep blood sugar steady, reducing sudden spikes and crashes. This means fewer cravings and more balanced energy levels throughout the day. By keeping your blood sugar steady, licorice root makes it easier to avoid the temptation of sugary snacks. Imagine replacing your mid-afternoon candy bar with a warm cup of licorice tea, delicious and guilt-free. How to use licorice root. Here are a few simple ways to incorporate licorice root into your routine. Tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried licorice root in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Add a slice of lemon or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor. This is one of the easiest ways to enjoy its benefits. Powder. Mix a pinch of licorice root powder into smoothies, oatmeal, or even homemade energy bars. Its natural sweetness pairs well with many recipes. Supplements. If you're always on the go, licorice root capsules or tinctures can be a convenient option. These are widely available in health stores or online. Chewable root sticks. Some people enjoy chewing on licorice root sticks as a natural and healthy snack. It's a great way to satisfy sugar cravings while staying mindful of portion sizes. Homemade remedies. You can make syrups or decoctions at home to address specific issues like a sore throat or digestive discomfort. It's a versatile ingredient that works well in DIY herbal blends. Skincare applications. Look for licorice root extract in creams or serums to target hyperpigmentation and soothe inflamed skin. You can even make your own toner by steeping licorice root and using the cooled liquid as a natural facial mist. Cautions and side effects. As amazing as licorice root is, there are some important precautions to keep in mind. Overconsumption can lead to side effects like high blood pressure, low potassium levels, and water retention. This is due to the glycyrrhizin content, which, in high doses, can affect your body's electrolyte balance. Who should avoid it? People with heart conditions, kidney issues, or those who are pregnant should consult a healthcare provider before using licorice root. If you're on medication, check with your doctor as licorice can interact with certain drugs. How much is safe? Stick to moderate use. If you're using it regularly, opt for deglycyrrhizinated licorice (DGL) products, which remove the glycyrrhizin but retain the root's other benefits. Monitor usage. Long-term use of licorice root should be done under the guidance of a healthcare professional to avoid complications. Fun facts about licorice root. Did you know that licorice root is a key ingredient in traditional candies in Europe? Countries like Finland and the Netherlands are famous for their licorice treats, often combining the root with salt for a unique flavor. Its name comes from the Greek words glucose, meaning sweet, and rhiza, meaning root. Beyond food, it's also used in cosmetics and skincare for its soothing and brightening properties. Truly a multi-purpose wonder. Licorice root is also mentioned in many ancient texts, including Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine manuscripts, as a harmonizing herb that enhances the effects of other remedies. This highlights its adaptability and importance in traditional healing systems. Frequently asked questions. 1. Can licorice root help with weight loss? While licorice root isn't a magic weight loss solution, its ability to stabilize blood sugar and reduce sugar cravings can support a healthier diet, which in turn may aid in weight management. 2. How often can I drink licorice root tea? Drinking it 3 to 4 times a week in moderation is generally safe for most people. However, consult your doctor if you plan to consume it daily or if you have underlying health conditions. 3. Is licorice root safe for children? Small amounts, such as in teas or candies, are generally safe for older children. However, it's best to avoid giving it to very young children without medical advice. So there you have it, the sweet and powerful licorice root. It's a versatile remedy with a fascinating history and incredible benefits. Whether you're using it to curb sugar cravings, boost your health, or simply enjoy its unique flavor, it's a natural treasure worth exploring. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends, and don't forget to subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried licorice root before? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy and stay curious.